Yeah, I think whenever we come to one of these meetings that really focuses on myeloproliferative neoplasms, this is obviously what I do all the time, all day. It's very exciting. I think when we're in more broad meetings, it's a narrower focus. There's less being presented, and it's much more chaotic and hectic being at meetings that are bigger and have a larger focus. But at these very focused meetings, you get to really spend an extended amount of time with people in the field, different aspects, different experiences, and you get to bounce ideas off each other. I certainly look forward to probably the basic science and the translational presentations the most, to see, what are some interesting targets that we should be thinking about? What's going to be coming down the pipeline in 3, 5, 6 years from now? And we've already heard several of those talks today, and that's been very exciting. At the same time, I always like to hear updates and how other people view, the agents that are in late stage development. Everyone has different experience. We all run different trials. We've all put different amounts of patients on these trials, and so to hear other people's personal experiences of those trials, I think is very important. And really, it's what keeps the field going.